In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OANDA to TradingView. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to trade directly on TradingView's charts using your OANDA account. Before we begin, make sure you have active accounts with both TradingView and OANDA, as you'll need these to make the connection. First, let's make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account. If you haven't already, go to the TradingView website and log in using your credentials. This will be our starting point. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the OANDA broker page. You can do this easily by using the search function on TradingView. Simply type in OANDA, or you can navigate by clicking on the Trade tab located on the right side of your screen. This will direct you to a list of brokers where you can easily find OANDA among the options. Now, you'll want to initiate the connection process. On the OANDA broker page, look for and select the trade option. Clicking this will trigger a pop-up window or possibly a new login screen. This is where you can begin linking your OANDA account with TradingView. Next, in the OANDA login window that appears, enter your OANDA account credentials. This means typing in the email address and password associated with your OANDA trading account. Be cautious not to select options such as Continue with One-Key Login or Login for OANDA EU and TMS clients, unless you are a client of those specific services, as this could create unnecessary complications. After you've entered your login details, it's time to finalize the connection. Hit the Sign In button to complete the process. If everything is set up correctly, your account should now be linked and you're ready to start trading. To begin trading using your newly connected accounts, head back to the TradingView interface. Here you'll be able to open the trading panel. Within the panel, select OANDA from the list of integrated brokers. You should see an option to choose your desired sub-account from a drop-down menu, allowing you to direct your trades according to your preferences. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you have connected OANDA to TradingView, enabling you to take full advantage of TradingView's dynamic charting tools while executing trades through your OANDA account all in one place. Remember, maintaining active accounts on both platforms is necessary for this integration to work seamlessly. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it enhances your trading experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.